In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove MidJourney watermark. Before we begin, a quick note on intent. Watermarks are often used to indicate the source of an image or to comply with platform terms. Always make sure you have the right to modify the image you're working with and follow the usage guidelines for your project. With that in mind, I'll show you a simple, practical way to clean up a MidJourney watermark for mockups, drafts, or internal use. First, open your web browser and go to the website watermarkremover.io. You can type the address directly into the address bar. The page is straightforward and works on most modern browsers. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and your image file saved somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Once you're on the site, look for the button labeled Upload. Click it, then navigate to the MidJourney image you want to clean. Select the file and choose Open. The tool will begin processing right away. There's nothing else you need to configure. The service automatically detects the watermark area and attempts to remove it with minimal artifacts. Processing time depends on your image size and internet speed, but most images complete in just a few seconds. When the process finishes, you'll see the result displayed on the screen. Take a moment to look closely at edges, gradients, and any fine details where the watermark used to be. If your original had strong contrast or complex textures behind the watermark, you might notice slight smoothing or residual marks. That's normal with automated tools. For best results, start with the highest quality version of your image you have. Avoid heavily compressed files if possible, because compression artifacts can confuse the detection. If the watermark was near the border, cropping a tiny sliver off the edge in your photo editor after processing can sometimes make the final image look even cleaner without altering the composition noticeably. If you're not satisfied with the first pass, try uploading a slightly larger version of the same image or a variant with a clearer background. Sometimes changing the source file by just a bit can improve the outcome. And remember, keep your original image backed up so you can revert or try again if needed. That's all there is to it. Go to watermarkremover.io, upload your image, and review the cleaned result. Use this technique responsibly, keep your files organized, and you'll have clean visuals ready for your creative workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.